Today I'm gonna show you how to make 4K color correction in Adobe After Effects. Here is the normal video footage and I will create a adjustment layer. And we will go effect and search sharpen and leave it on the adjustment layer. Then go to effect control and increase the amount 55. And again we will go effect and search unsharpen masks and leave it on the adjustment layer. Then increase amount 40% and radius 20%. Then search exposure and leave it on the adjustment layer. And increase the exposure amount 0.40%. See, the exposure here has increased and it looks better than before. Then search CC vignette and leave it on the adjustment layer. Looks here, it looks dark and it looks more beautiful than before. Then search curve and leave it on the adjustment layer. Increase the brightness of the curve a little and decrease the darkness a little. Here you can increase as much as you like, but this video footage looks so good with it. Then search brightness and contrast and leave it on the adjustment layer. And increase the contrast 25%. Then again search hue and saturation and leave it on the adjustment layer. Then increase the master layer 6% or 7% as you wish. 4K color correction is complete. Here are all the effects and here is the result. It looked like this before and it looked like this now. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy it, please subscribe and like and comment if you have any question. See you again next time. Have a nice day.